In this video, I am going to show you how to create or generate images using the AI generator on Microsoft Designer. Navigate to the image creator tool you're referring to. This might be available on a web-based service. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password. In the provided input area, describe the image you want to create. Be specific as possible to guide the AI in generating an image that closely matches your vision. For example, you might say a serene lake at sunset with mountains in the background and a clear sky. Next, when you're done, look for a button or option to start generation process. You can see it as Generate. Some platforms may offer a gallery of pre-generated AI images based on various themes or prompts. You can explore this to find inspiration or use them as a starting point of your creation. You can also download your image after being generated, click on it, and then click on the download button to download it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.